you can use your own custom fonts in Blazin Presenter. It's very easy to do and very flexible. So within Blazin Presenter, all you do is go to the Fonts Manager by clicking the Fonts menu item up top, and a font importer window would come in. From this window, you can upload font packs, which is basically a zip file containing several fonts that you currently use probably often. You might want to make your own font pack, or you can upload individual fonts. Now, there's a website that offers thousands, I believe, of free fonts that you can use called FontSource. So FontSource.org, you can go there and browse the fonts they have and find the fonts that you like and just download them. So from this site here, I'm going to just download one, something that catches my eye, Lobster. So I'm going to download Lobster, and then I'm going to come back into the font menu, and I'm going to upload the font that I downloaded. Now, this only works with web fonts, and web font version 1 and web font, the newest one, version 2. It supports both of them. Now, if you do need to convert a TrueType font to web font, you can do so. We have instructions in our help section how easy that is done. In fact, FontSource has a free converter to convert your TrueType fonts, which you usually see in Windows and Mac, into web fonts. So whenever possible, though, use web font 2 because it's a smaller file size than the older version of web fonts, but the exact same quality. It's a better file size. So I'm going to upload a font and just locate your font that you downloaded. In this case, I got Lobster, and I have uploaded it, and now I have Lobster and a demo of what it looks like right here. So now I can use Lobster in all the text objects on my application. Let's also upload a font pack. So I'm going to go upload font pack, and I have our free font pack that we have collected fonts that we thought would be a good variety and assembled them together. These are fairly usable. The license files are within the zip file, but they can be used for you for both commercial and individual usage. Now I have imported all those fonts into our Blazin Presenter. Now, whenever you create a presentation and use fonts, it will export the fonts with the presentation, but it will only export the fonts that you use. So you can have 100 fonts imported, but if you only use 1 or 2, that's all it's going to get exported. It's very smart about not wasting space when it does exports. So let's just use some of these custom fonts. So let's go to Elements, and a text object, and now you'll see underneath text we have all the extra fonts we just imported in. So let's use the Lobster one, and there's Lobster, and let's scale that up by holding down Shift and drag. So yeah, that's our custom font file there. And it's as simple as that. You can use these throughout your presentation. So I hope that helps you brainstorm a little bit and get a little bit more creativity, showing you that there's plenty of fonts available for you, and it's super easy to import them inside Blazin Presenter.